How's it going, everybody? Um, Introducing the 2017 Nissan Rogue. I've had this car for a couple days now, and I kind of wanted to do a review on it for the people that might be considering buying it. It's a very nice car. Some different angles of it. It's like a metallic blue, although in some lighting it looks kind of purple. Okay. Comes with 17-inch rims. This vehicle does come with push button start. Start her up and let her run. This vehicle has 20,927 on the odometer. Standard package. It does have forward collision warning. Nice car. Let's check under the hood. It's the motor. Everything's easy to get to. LED running lights. Sharp car. Let's check out the cargo space. Extra storage space there. If I can get it back in the spot. There you go. Yep. I don't think this one comes with a... Yeah, there's a spare. Cool. Very nice. Clean rod. Not for me per se, but if you guys are looking for an SUV, you should definitely consider this one. All right, y'all. Till next time. Peace.